Hey, welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I am going to review a very genuine reproduction, a very authentic reissue of a particular watch from the house of HMT. And this time, although it is a Quartz watch, but it has a significance, it has a value, and it has been a result of efforts of some of the HMT watch enthusiasts, those who are on Facebook as well as on my friends list, and they have done a fantastic job in getting this watch reissued. And this is none other than the beautiful HMT Kohinoor Quartz version. So we all know about HMT Kohinoor. That HMT Kohinoors are one of the robust watch, one of the most beautiful dialed watch, and the dials that have many fantastic colors, many good options, many awesome patterns, a really rugged and a really everyday carry kind of watch. This one, however, is just the Quartz version of that particular watch, and this watch is meant for all. And what I mean to say that even if you are not a watch enthusiast, you can have the fun of the HMT and its value in a Quartz model, where people do not want to wind their watches daily or are afraid to own a mechanical watch in order to not getting it damaged or something like that. So they really want something in the Quartz version that is trouble free, maintenance free, and the only maintenance they need is the change of battery after few years. That's it. So this is the watch where a non-watch enthusiast can also have the fun of a watch and have the fun of owning an HMT, the pride of owning an HMT. So let us go to the slight details of the particular watch. I am not going to do the physical features now. I will keep it for later. So this watch was a joint effort of few of my watch collector friends. I don't think naming them here without their permission would be a good thing, but they have contacted HMT and they have asked them to produce or reproduce this particular issue again, because there has been HMT Kohinoor Quartz earlier as well in the vintage models in the 90s, when there was a Quartz boom in the market. So they have successfully reproduced the dial, reissued everything, and have produced this marvelous watch. I think if you can see this model, you will know what I am talking about. A really genuine reissue of the watch. So those guys simply contacted HMT. They continuously, they coordinated with HMT along with the genuine customers and watch enthusiasts to get this model into reality. So hats off to them. You can find their group HMT Watch Enthusiast on Facebook. Go and follow that group. So I think you will really find some newcomers who have been doing really good when it comes to HMT watch collections and making these reissues with HMT. And HMT is also doing a fantastic job. Past few decades has not been a good time for HMT, but I think they are bouncing back, and my best wishes are with them. Now let us go to the watch. The watch is the same dimension of 36 mm case, but this case is slightly different than the hand winding mechanical HMT. This is a standard Quartz watch case here. The dial is sunburst silver or sunburst white, as we can say. This really nice. Very simple, very legible, very nice. HMT Quartz is mentioned here at 12 o'clock. Kohinoor model has been mentioned here, and it has been written at the 6 o'clock. If you can see it very clearly, made in India, and the electronic module number, Quartz module number is 2150. So this has the HMT 2150 Quartz movement, one of the very reliable and rugged Quartz movement that has the capacity of running for years and giving trouble-free operation. However, one of the major changes is, apart from hand-winding HMT, is the day-date feature. We all know that the standard HMT watch or hand-winding watch do not have day-date feature both in one. I am talking about the hand-winding movements. The automatic movements have day-date features, only day features. One hand-winding movement, the 1809, like in Tariq, Ravi, I think those have dater features as well, but not day date. I haven't seen any hand winding having day and date feature in HMT, but you never know. I means things are very trivial when it comes to HMT. So you can see the watch ticking away here. Simple. The window is framed here. I think there is one more gray model of this watch where the window is not framed. It also looks really good. So this is the framed one here, which gives a really vintage retro look for the watch. The hands are, I think it is tapered stick hands with black marker in the center of the hands. It gives a very cool vintage appeal here, as well as the indices have the black central markings here. I think this watch do not have any lume because this is the non-lume version of HMT Kohinoor Quartz. There is no lume version yet, so I do not want to go and challenge things out there. So I will just keep it as simple as that. So I think this is a really nice version, very nice sunburst dial, very cool feature of this particular watch. So the window here is the metal insert, the indices are all metal insert, the HMT logo is the metal insert, the Quartz and Kohinoor are printed on the dial. It's very cool. So let us go to the case back here. Pardon, my kid is shouting in the background, family guy, and I hardly get any time to make reviews, but here I am again. So the watch is mentioned water resistant, Quartz, all SS. The case back and the bracelet are all stainless steel. So this is really something. It's really nice. The case back has mentioned 01/02/23. I think this watch has been made in the month of February 23. So around that time this particular watch was conceptualized and launched, and I think that, see how the mirror finish is looking. I can see the reflector over here. At the center position there is the HMT logo and the new logo and the HMT, and everything has been etched here, chemically etched or laser etched. I'm not sure how the etching technique is done, but I think this is very, very nicely done. The case back is screw down type, where we can simply unscrew this, change the battery, get it serviced, change the gasket or anything, and then again screw down the case back here. Now if you see the crystal of the watch has acrylic crystal with a flat top, and the crystal is really protruding from the case, which gives it a really nice look, a really retro look, and very, very, most beautiful, most handsome feature of this watch. So if you wear this watch on the wrist, I think this particular watch has a great wrist presence. I can definitely say that. The bracelet here, produced by HMT, it's a very traditional two-piece HMT bracelet with adjusting feature, adjustable feature. It's really very comfortable. So if you get this type of bracelets from HMT, do not sell it and do not let it go. So I will simply wear the watch here to show you all, because I own this watch. I'm very lucky to own this watch, and I will put it here. It has been a part of EDC or everyday carry. So here is the watch. Look how beautiful it looks on the wrist. I mean, I can wear this every day in the office. Even if you are a non-watch enthusiast and want something made in India, I think this is what you need to buy. This particular watch, trouble-free, maintenance-free, no tension of winding every day. Leave that tension to us watch enthusiasts. But if you are a non-watch enthusiast, want to give a made in India gift to anyone, this is the one you want to buy. So this is the HMT Kohinoor Quartz. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe, and have a good one. Enjoy.